Hi! In this video, we will show you how to give your beach shots a warm look and intensify the mood of the evening sun. For this, I picked out a nice beach campfire scene and use our Warping Wheels plugin, which I just drag onto the clip. Right now, I'm in Final Cut Pro X, but the plugin is also available for Premiere, After Effects, and Photoshop. Now I'm going to go into the effect settings to open up the user interface. The first thing I want to do is give the image a warm look overall, so I pull the slider in the master wheel strongly towards orange. Since I've colored the entire image, the look is still pretty overdone, but I'll counteract that now. To give the water a cooler bluish tone again, I move the slider of the highlights a little towards turquoise. This way, I counteract the overall orange coloration of the image in the bright areas. As you can see, the skin tones are also still way too colored. This is because I like to use the master wheel to quickly and easily give the image a basic mood. Now it gets interesting, because now the unique features of Warping Wheels come into play, which distinguish the plugin from a conventional three-way color correction and thus make Warping Wheels the all-in-one color grading tool. To achieve natural skin tones, I protect them from the color wheels and pull the Protect Skin Tone slider a bit to the right. Now I want to work a bit on the contrast and use our special Film Contrast slider for this. In contrast to normal contrast sliders, which simply make the image look boring after reducing the contrast and often create a rather harsh contrast when increasing it, when lowering the Warping Wheel Film Contrast slider, you achieve a very soft, cinematic old-school look, and when increasing the contrast, the image gains depth. So, since I want to intensify the evening sun, I increase the contrast. In general, I already like this quite a bit, because the overall saturation has now become relatively strong due to both the colorization and the contrast increase of the image. I tone it down a tad, not too much, but a tad. That's it. Closing the plugin applies the look, and as you can see, the clip looks really nice and warm and perfectly captures the mood of this scene. I'll give you a quick before and after comparison so you can see how cool and boring the neutral image looks against it. It's so easy to create a warm look for your beach shots in the evening sun. Download a free trial of Warping Wheels now and see for yourself how easy color grading can be.